Hello, YouTube family. Hope you guys are doing great. I know I'm not active on YouTube, but I'm here to introduce myself. A lot of people don't know me, so I thought, why would I not make a introduction video? My name is Mahmoud Khadija. I did bachelor's in imaging technology from Lahore, and then I moved to UK for my master's in global public health. Basically, I struggled 5 years in Lahore. I got experience in my field. I did HCPC, which is healthcare council license. You should have the license before doing job in the NHS here in UK. I came here in last September 2025 here in UK, 10th of September. I remember the date. I was alone. I did everything on my own. There's nobody to help me. Yeah, there's some people through I came here and settled down, but I did everything on my own. Searched my job on my own. I managed my expenses on my own. I pay off my fees on my own. So I am about to graduate in 2027 January, but my degree is going to complete in September. So I'm going to be a full timer soon. It is such a roller coaster journey. I kid you not, guys. In UK situations इतनी unpredictable होती हैं कि आपको नहीं पता किस टाइम आपके पास जॉब है, किस टाइम नहीं है, कौन से लोग आपके साथ हैं, कौन से लोग आपके साथ नहीं है. यूके आपको अकेले रहना सिखा देता है. यूके आपको स्ट्रगल करना सिखा देता है. यूके आपको 0 से 100 करना सिखा देता है. So I learned a lot from here. Hobby is that I love makeup. I love doing makeup. I always wanted to be on social media, but there's not the right time to do that. So I waited for 5 years, and then I'll be like, okay, now I should start it because it's my passion and I wanted to do it by my heart. So I start doing it and I start making videos. A lot of people don't know me, personally, but yeah, this is who I am. So I'm going to tell you guys how I start doing hijab. I am from Pakistan, so growing up, we always heard that you have to cover yourself, but in my household, my parents always tell me you have to cover yourself for Allah. They always teach me about the beauty of covering ourselves or whatever, but they never force me to do that. And of course, it is a culture in Pakistan, we have to cover and everything, so we do that. When I go to university in Lahore, I'm not a full-time hijabi at the time. I do hijab on and off. So there's some kind of validation women wants, maybe at the time, that, oh, you look more beautiful in your hairs. So that's why hijab sometimes on and off, not all the time. So after that, when I came here in England, things changed for me. When I came here, I observed that people don't look at you. They don't care what are you wearing. They don't care what are you doing. You are hijabi or not. Like, at that moment, I realized that I have to do it for the sake of Allah. I have to do it for my Lord. That clicked into my mind that, oh, okay, there's not people pressure. There's no some kind of pressure that, oh, I have to do it for the society. There's no society pressure. I want to do it, I'll do it. If I don't want to do it, I'm not going to do it. So it's my choice that I want to do it for Allah. Not for any male validation, not for any female validation, not for any society validation. Oh, you're a hijabi, you are a good girl, it's kind of like that. But here, nobody cares. So when I start doing hijab, now it's a year that I try my best. Whenever I go outside, I wear my hijab. I do cover myself. So, at the end of the day, at the day of judgment, I will at least tell my God that I tried my best in this dunya, that I cover myself, for the sake of Allah. So this is just my side doing everything for Allah. So this is how it starts. This is how it goes. It goes well. In the starting, you feel like, oh my God, which hijab style I should do, what kind of hijab suits me. I look more, and there is often some days you feel like, oh, I look more beautiful in my hairs. You should struggle a lot with the hijab, but at the end of the day, you will be rewarded. So all the girlies who are struggling, I'm going to show you guys that it happened with every hijabi. You are not alone. We feel like that. At some days, we just want to throw it away. Like, why we have to do it? We always talk to ourselves, but it will be worth it at the end of the day. I promise you guys. You guys are so beautiful. You just have to understand your style. You just have to understand what hijab style suits you the most. So yeah, that's it. This is how I start doing hijab full timer, and I kind of love it. Now I don't care what people think about me. I do what I want to do and do it for my Lord. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and do subscribe my channel. I will be doing makeup tutorials on my channel. So I love makeup, so I will teach you guys whatever I know about it. I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I know a lot of things about makeup and techniques, so I will share it with you guys. Bye, take care.